Greetings faculty and welcome to another WIS Technology tutorial. In today's lesson I'm going to be talking about Google Calendar. Now if you haven't used Google Calendar much in the past, this may be just the reason you would like to try using it now. We've been working very closely with a programmer who has succeeded in taking an export from Blackbaud of all of your schedules. So this is over 1,800 lines of data in a spreadsheet, and he has converted them into individual ICS files for every teacher at Tregarren. So if you're interested in having your teacher schedule on your Google Calendar, it's ready to go. Let me walk you through how this happens. So all of the ICS files, which are our calendar files, they have been loaded up onto a Google Drive account and then embedded into a Google site for easy distribution. That site is located right here. This is only accessible to anyone at WIS with the link. So, and if you scroll through here, you should be able to find your name. Now the procedure here, as I'll walk you through it first and then I'll actually do it, is you simply download the file of your schedule. So say I want to add, let's say I want to take Nick Lowen's schedule. I simply click on it and I just click download. This will add it to my downloads folder. Now you can see I've already done this one. It's giving me this parentheses 1, but I know this one works. So now this is located in the downloads folder in my computer. It's right here. It's this file right there. Now what I need to do is get that information into my Google Calendar. I can now X out of this screen, go into my calendar, and I can go into settings, and I can choose import calendar. And from here I would select that file and add it to my calendar. But before just jumping ahead and doing that, what I would recommend is creating a new calendar just to verify that there aren't any mistakes in the actual schedule. So before importing into my own calendar, I'm actually just going to create a sample test calendar to verify that everything is accurate in the schedule. So I'm going to create a new calendar. I'll call this my schedule. And I can just click create calendar right here. And to make this easier to see, I've actually hidden all of my other calendars. So all you're going to see now is my schedule. So here it is. This is the only one that is active. Now notice there are no events on my calendar. But now I can return to the settings. And I can scroll down to import calendar. This is where I'll choose my file. This was the file I downloaded. So this is Nick's schedule. I click open. And then here it's asking me which calendar do I want to save these events to. Well, this is the main calendar I use, and eventually I'd like to put my schedule here, but because I'd first like to test out and see what it looks like, I don't want to put it there because it may take a while to delete it if I don't want it there. So I'm going to just choose that sample calendar. This is my schedule. And I'm just going to click import. And it'll say it's been processed and I have my events. And now let's just take a look at what this looks like. And with little to no effort, I have my course schedule in my Google Calendar. So this is quite an accomplishment considering that we have this 8-day cycle, and A days don't always occur on the same day of the week. So I'm still learning the ins and outs of what's happening behind the scenes, but this is ultimately a solution we would like to deploy from here on out. So this will make finding meeting times much easier if we all share our schedules or our calendars, make them available. It'll be easy to find times when people are available to meet and to collaborate. So this is, again, just the first step in a process that is ongoing right now, and we are also looking into building a customized event creator that can also repeat at irregular times. So on Tregaron, for example, you could program your learning group meetings. So if you have a learning group on a C day, period 5, you could say every C day, period 5, you have this learning group, and you could schedule that throughout the year. So this is just kind of the first batch, but we think this is a great incentive to use Google Calendar. And if you have questions about the process and how to actually do this, if the tutorial wasn't enough, feel free to drop by in my office and I can help you get your schedule onto your calendar. And thanks for watching. Bye.